morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this vlog. Hi, how you guys doing? I know that I've been the most inconsistent YouTuber in the history of YouTube this past, should I even say 3 months? It's so weird, you guys. Like, I think I'm going through something when it comes to YouTube. I'm definitely going through something. But aside that, I'm also moving. So I've told you guys already that we'll be living in the same flat now for 9 years, right? 9 years thereabouts, because we've been married for 9 years ish. Anyways, 8 to 9 years. And we're finally moving out of that flat to another one. And yeah, it's just consuming my time. And even when it's not physically consuming my time, it is mentally consuming my time. Because, for example, I went the other day and I bought paint. I was the one that chose the pink colors for Adana's room. So I was trying to vlog. And I don't even remember what I was saying. I don't remember what I was saying, but basically the point is some things. Oh yeah, I remember now. By the way, Soti's there. Just say hi to Soti before I continue.
Hi
So,
guys.
yeah. That's all.
That's what let's say. Hi guys. I didn't know tired of seeing me.
Oh my god. So Soti said, so basically I was trying to say that if I'm not physically stressed, I'm mentally stressed. Because for example, I chose the paints, right? Like for Adana's room, yes, that's what I was saying. I wanted to choose between two colors, light pink and darker pink. And I told my husband, which one should we go with? He now said dark pink. So I went with the dark pink. I don't know if it's because of the fact that my husband chose that particular color. He should not watch this vlog. But I don't want it anymore. I've already painted the wall that color. But what I've actually realized why I really don't want it is because of the fact that it's a different shade of pink from her pink bed. Do you get her pink bed is like in the peach family, and this one is like in the baby pink but darker version family. Do you get what I mean? Like it doesn't go, but Adana loves it so much. So I'm trying to tell myself, relax, it's not your room. Nobody gives a shit. Like I don't make my videos there. Like as long as Adana is happy with her room, I can leave it like that for like at least 1 year or 6 months, and then change the color for her. And then some places I'll tell them paint this way, paint this color. Then I'll go back. I'm like, I don't want it again. Just turn it back to white. Turn it back to white. I don't want this color again. So yeah, it's like even when I'm lying down, I'm thinking like, oh, what do I need to change? What do I need to do? It's a little bit stressful. But that being said, yeah, I'm going to, should I say, Soti and I are going to kind of interview a new staff that I want to add to my team. So let's go. She just called me now. She's the one that called me. She's missing road or something. So let me not be late. Let's get going. I'm not late, Sha. So this is Soti looking, smelling nice, looking like a baby girl.
Nice.
I knew you were going to say that.
No, I literally was so
I know,
nice.
I know.
It can't be cut off where shall we?
And they're calling me back. It's like, oh, that's my husband. Okay, all right.
After you're
Bye.
busy.
Slowly moving things out of this house. I made this table for my office from Lagos. They just carried the second one into the car. This is the other one. I can't wait to set it up. I'll show you guys when I'm setting it up. And if I like it, I'll tag them. So we're slowly moving out of this house. I have some of my equipment here that I never used, to be honest, like never. Or, it's good to have just in case, but I never use them. Those are some things, furnitures as well. I bought off my friend. Yeah, I don't know where to go, but to go somewhere. You see this area? Maybe today, actually, I don't know when, but maybe today, I'm going to do like clearance and just start taking things out. Like, you guys will see, Sha. I always clear their toys once every few months, and now, like, just so much nonsense. So much nonsense. Like, what are all these things? I have to do clearance and give out some toys again, and then know what we're moving with. But yeah, we're slowly packing out. I've lived in this particular flat for 8 years. I mean, 8 years, 9 years. 9 years, I think 9 years. What am I even saying? Look at the chair. Oh my God. I'm going to do an empty house tour when we're done packing out. But yeah, that's updates. Hi guys. Hello here. What a beautiful face. I'm socially looking beautiful today, so I just want to show you guys my beautiful face. There's nothing extra. I'm here with Adeze. See Adeze's toilet slash equipment room. The equipment room. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. This camera. Wow.
You are glowing.
I'm glowing. I feel good.
We're about to film for Uncut with Ada and Nelo. If you're not following us, I don't know what you're doing. Go and follow your girls, okay? Anyways, I just want to show you guys my face. It's like this part of this vlog completely pointless, but you guys just needed to see this beauty. Okay, let's not waste it. Let's not waste it. Hi guys. Say hi. You want to show them your piggy bank? I show them. Close it and show them well now. Close it. I stand up. Now show them. Turn it. Turn it like this. Whoa! You want to show them your password? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! Yay! And do you have money inside? Yes. How much? How many money? 1,050 and 50. Wow! You're a rich girl. Are you rich? Yes. Okay. Look at my dress. Spin. Whoa! Alright, come. Oh yeah, Eva spin. Adana spin. Whoa! Gorgeous. Okay, Sophia wants to say hi to everybody. Welcome to your channel. You know, welcome back to my channel too. You're a big girl now, no? Mwah. So you guys, today is Uche's birthday, so wish her happy birthday.
Happy my birthday to me.
So Uche's sister came to cook for us. She cooked party jollof. You guys can see our party jollof. Let me not open it too much so that the smoke will enter. And then we have chicken over here. She also baked the cake. Yeah. So she also Uche's sister cooked the rice for us, chicken. She also baked the cake and made small chops. So I'll show you guys the cake later. I'll show you the small chops. So I don't think I've ever said it, but she actually cooks for me from time to time. Like she comes and she makes soups and stews and anything really. She's a chef. She's a certified chef. So if you're looking for someone to cook for you, Blessing is actually your plug. If you want someone to come to your house, cook for you, or cook and deliver to you, she just got a, is this store? What is it called? A shop. She just got a space. So now she can actually be selling off her space. But usually, because she's a certified chef, she just comes around and cooks for me. She will help me go to the market, do the shopping. Like she really does everything for me. Whenever I'm lazy to cook, I use Blessing. So I'm going to put her details so that you guys will check her out. She also baked the cake. Somebody's coughing. She also baked the cake and did the small chops. I will show you guys all that, okay, so that I can go patronize our girl. All right. Anyways, today is Uche's birthday. Uche is vlogging, so people will see all that in her vlog. Yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Yay! All right, cut cake. She wants what Eva is holding. Jes. Woo! Your dress is so beautiful. Go and show them your dress. Go back. Oh, yeah, spin, spin, spin around, spin around. Whoa, spin again. Don't be shy. Come on, come on. You guys, let me tell you people, just forget how I look. I look so swollen. It's just something because I literally woke up like, let's just say 10 minutes ago. My church is 2 minutes away from me. So I have my baths like last thing in the night, all of us, every Sunday, so that first thing in the morning, we don't have to shower. We just wash our face, change, wash bum bum, and be going. Like, especially Adana and the girls. Anyways, I just said wash bum bum. Anyways, that's why my face is looking swollen. But what I wanted to say is that I have 3 sets of this that I made recently. Every Sunday I wear this color, the next color, the next color, then all over again. That's the only thing I went to church. You people that dress up. By the way, this is the rare occasion I was going early to church. It never happens. We always leave this house like 5 minutes to the mass time. Get there like 2 minutes before we finish sitting down. Mass starts. But today we're a bit early. You people that dress up to church, how do you do it? How do you dress up, wear heels, do makeup? Like, I've never done that. Like in my whole entire life, I've never worn heels to church. I've never dressed up to, like, you know what I mean by dressing up to church? I would just pick the most comfortable thing because I want to be comfortable in church when I'm praying or doing whatnot. I don't want to be cautious of my corset or my heels or my feet is paining me. Like, how do you guys do it? That's a legit question. Anyways, we are off to church. I've seen all the lights. We're going to have light now for 3 days. It's 3 days now, no light. We're using inverter and gen. Horrible situation. We are back from church and I'm about to do Adana's hair. I feel like making her hair this week because I currently don't have nails on, artificial nails, and I always have artificial nails. So seeing as I don't have any nails on right now, this is the best time to do her hair by myself. So I'm going to do that. The lighting was dark. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to be doing Adana's hair by myself. I do this like once every 6 months. I make her hair by myself twice a year. Only because I don't really have the patience, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. I don't have the patience. Like I start excited and then 10 minutes in, I'm tired. I'm like, why did I even bother starting? I don't have time for this shit and I give up. But I'm going to do it today. Another reason I'm even doing her hair is because I recently treated lice that I'm certain she got from salon or somewhere outside this house. Are you ready to do your hair? Yes. Are you ready to do your hair? Yes. Okay. Let's start. Are you ready? Miss Uche is bringing the things that we need. Okay. What side do you want to do? I want to do pink stash. No pink hair today. But we'll soon do pink hair for the holiday, okay? Okay, during the holiday, I'll do white hair for you, okay? You said pink hair. Okay, I'll do white and pink. You like it? Turn around. Again. Okay. I love your hair. Do you love your hair? Can we see? Can we see? Do you love your hair? Yes. It's beautiful. So you guys, I just finished making Adana's hair and I'm just here to end this vlog. To be honest, when I add these clips together, I will know what the vlog is all about. But I never make Adana's hair. I think I do this like, Dada, you're shaking my hand. I think I do this like once every, let's say, year or twice every year. I do her hair by myself because she actually likes going to the salon. So immediately I finished making her hair, she was like, Mommy, are we going to the salon? I'm like, no, we'll go to the salon next time. And Adana will do what color of hair? Pink and white. Pink and white, okay. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Their cousins are coming over to play. NK just called me to say that she's bringing their cousins to play with them. So my house is about to get very chaotic. I'm not looking forward to that. I don't like children. I'm sure my children are here wondering why is mommy saying I don't like children. I really do not like children, just that I tolerate them, but I don't, like staying with kids. Okay. That being said, look at Adana writing on the wall, but I'm not going to talk because we're moving. Also, moving update. Down here, self, you guys can see these bags here. It's part of their clothes that I've already packed. Kobe, can you shift from my back, my friends? Yes. Dada, stop writing on the wall. Anyways, we're still packing, gradually moving. I've taken their bicycles there, some things. I'm just taking things small, small. So these things I packed here, I'm supposed to take it here today or tomorrow. Maybe today, Sha. I think I'll take it today. But that being said, I'm going to end this vlog now. And Dada, say bye, guys. You are frowning because they say she stop writing on the wall. If I knock your head, smile for me, also. Smile for me, also. You think you're in America. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye.